Hi guys! Today samahan niyo ako dito sa aking travel. Ayan na pala ang aking bus. Ay, hindi ko pala bus yan. Tour bus pala namin yan. So, from Yokosuka nga pala kami nang galing papunta dun sa may Chichibu na sa may Saitama location. Pero nag-stop over muna kami at bumili ng mga snacks at makakain for breakfast. So, nag-ikot-ikot muna ako, naghanap ako kung ano ang pwede ko mabili. Usually, ang kinukuha ko naman is onigiri like that at isang kape. So, ayan na nga, kumuha ko ng dalawang flavor ng onigiri, tuna at saka salmon at isang kape. Pagtapos ko magbayad ay lumabas na rin ako at nagtingin-tingin ko ano naman na binibenta nila sa may labasan. Kahit ganito kaaga, ay meron na ako nakitang nagtitinda. Ayun na nga ay siopaw at lumapit ako agad. Sabi ko pagbilan ng isa, yung pinakamalaki. At ayan, nagbayad ako at binigay sa akin ng isang jumbo siopaw. Ang bait ng tendero, sabi niya mag-ingat ako dahil mainit pa yung siopaw at inabutan niya ako ng tissue. Meron pa silang mga ibang store katulad ng bilihan ng mochi, ng ice cream at kung ano-ano pa. Pero meron na ako mga nabiling pang almusal kaya naman babalik na ako sa aming tour bus. At inuna ko na nga kainin itong siopaw na mainit-init pa talaga siya at ayan nga pala yung place na aming pinagstapan. So, continue na nga kami sa road para makarating na kami doon sa may Shiba, Sakura. At nakita niyo naman ang daan. Diyos ko, ang ganda ng view. O, diba? Parang gusto ko magpunta doon sa may tulay na yon. At ayan na, nakarating na kami sa parking.
One of the best places in the Kanto region to enjoy these blooms is at Hitsujiyama Park, where the annual Chichibu Shibazakura Festival is held. The event is home to an incredible 400,000 Shibazakura plants, covering an area of 17,600 square meters, ensuring a true visual treat. Once the cherry blossom petals fall, it doesn't mean spring's beauty has ended. Quite the opposite. Really, there are plenty of other stunning seasonal blooms to enjoy, including Shibazakura, which is also known as moss phlox. This flowering plant forms a dense carpet of colorful flowers in vibrant hues of pink, white, and purple, and it's often planted in patterns that look like a patchwork quilt blanketing the ground. The Chichibu Shibazakura Festival has deep roots in Japan's history and carries significant meaning for locals. The history of various festivals can be traced back centuries, as Japanese culture celebrates the changing seasons through various events. Shibazakura, with its delicate pink and purple blooms, captivated the people's hearts, becoming a symbol of spring's arrival. Shibazakura's significance lies in its transient beauty. Japanese culture appreciates beauty and impermanence. See Wabi Sabi, the short blooming period of Shibazakura, perfectly